Are you able to type simple names into your keyboard? Do you want a super simple, powerful method to make money online? If yes, you are at the right place. This video is about how to make money online from home by simply typing names. My name is 𝐀𝐫𝐸𝐿 from Financial Freedom Academics, and in this video I will show you a super simple method that works without a website, without an email list. It's super easy to do, it's free, you don't need any previous skills, and it works worldwide. You can even do it at the beach. So the only thing you need to do is to watch the whole video till the very end, because I will show you everything about this method in this video, and it's super important that you watch it till the end. And I have also another very big rewarding gift at somewhere in the middle of this video, so make sure to stay tuned. Let's do it. Before we dive into the actual method, which is absolutely insane, I want to invite you to my 100% free training, where I will show you how to make these big paydays, these big passive income paydays with the best business model in the world. So if you want to get access, click the link below this video and you will get 100% free access to my absolutely insane training, where I will show you everything I've learned the last year and everything that was working for me. So take action here. So my name is Karl and I'm from Germany, and that's why I have such a weird accent, but that's also the proof that you don't need anything to crush it online. You don't need to be native English speaking, you don't need to have any previous skills, and that's why you want to watch the whole video till the end and take massive action on this. That's super important. Also, if you have any questions along this video, make sure to comment these questions in the comment section below this video, and I'm happy to help you and answer every single question here. So I do a lot of testing and a lot of research on new methods, and I'm testing these methods, and when they work, I will do a video about this. So the only thing you need to do to get more of these videos is to subscribe to this channel by simply hitting the button right corner of this video, and you will get a lot of wonderful stuff, right? So let's dive into the method. We're going to be talking about a website that we can use that's called 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐿. Now 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐿 is our legit website that has lots of reviews on Google. That's the most important part. I want to find you legit website that actually have good reviews on Google, and people have actually used it on the top review. We have over 2,300 positive reviews and a rating of 4.9. Then we have 5 stars and we have another 4.9, so this website is legit. Here are some results from other people using the website. Now, so we have 300 here, $300 here, another 200, 300, and there are literally hundreds of these online right now of people using 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐿 to make money online. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is actually go to 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐿 and sign up for a completely free account. It's not gonna cost you anything to fill in the details and sign up an account. And then once you sign up, you just want to go to the homepage and let's check it out and see what it's all about. So what we're actually doing is, people want business names. So for example, I've done this before. I've actually used this website to find a name for a software product. So many people use this because there are so many companies getting started every single day, and they can't think of a name. Now, once you actually sign up to the website, I want you to go to the dashboard and just connect your PayPal account. So you go down here and say website smallots, you want to connect your PayPal or a Pioneer account, so you can actually get paid the money into your account. Before we actually jump into this, guys, here are some more results from before, like the ones I showed you. It keeps going and keeps going. So many people are making money online with this exact method. So how do you get started and make sure you stay to the end, guys, I'm showing you a sick little trick that I will put you ahead of everybody else. So what you want to do, guys, is to go up to active contests and go to all. Once you're on this page, there will be a list of contests and you can scroll down. You can find particular contests where people are actually looking for names. One good tip, want to go on the one that says guaranteed price. This means that they have to give the money away when the contest is finished. And as we scroll down, guys, you can see that a lot of people are freaking to pay 250, 100, 200, more 200, but these people that are actually willing to pay $300, like the one right here, $300 for a name. So if we click on this one right here, which is a name for Laura's business, we click on the listing or this post, we get down, it's give you all the information that you need. And the additional details section, it explains the type of stuff that they are looking for. So make sure to read this. So now you know the platform we use 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐿. You know how to make the money and how to register for the contest and how to crush it. But I have a super powerful hack that will make you win the contest and make you even way more money, and I will show you this in a few seconds. Before we dive into this super powerful hack, I want to give you another very powerful method which will make you $300 per day easily with 1 hour of work and without any previous skills, website, email list or whatever. It's super powerful, but I also want to spread the value here, and that's why I want to reward you with this method. I will show you then. And what I want you to do is to comment "Make Money Online 2021." And when you do this and when we get 99 comments together, I will post this video in the YouTube description under the hashtag Make Money Online 2021. And this method is so powerful. So it's up to you. We can get this 90 comments very fast. Just share the video on your Facebook timeline, Twitter timeline or whatever, and I will show you this super powerful method how to make $300 per day with 1 hour of work without any previous skills or anything without a website. Super powerful stuff. It's a lot of researching and testing and you will love it. So make sure to comment "Make Money Online 2021" below in the comment section, and make sure to share this video to get this faster, and I will post a link under the hashtag Make Money Online 2021. So let's dive into this super powerful hack for 𝐒𝐞𝐿 that make you win the contest. Now, how do you actually go and create a business name here? It's a little trick. What I recommend you to do is to go to Google and put in business name generator. And you are going to get a tool like this. Because this is a law firm, I'm going to put law onto this here, okay? You don't actually have to think of names yourself, and I'm going to generate, and what it's going to do is it will give me a bunch of names I can put together or just some ideas that are very good ones, like Prospect Law, one of this kind of a ring to it. We have a Radiant Law, we have Sonic Law, we have Easy Law, we have Combined Law, we have Logistics Law, right? There's these names, and then you can also switch it around and put a law in front of those words if you like, and you can also put on other keywords like law. You can also choose an industry and it will be more specific and spit out more names for you that you can submit through these contests. And what this gives you guys is an opportunity to find a name quickly and submit it quickly and get ahead of everybody else. Now, how much money can you actually make combined? So these are some of the people who have won competitions recently. This sir here has made $45,000. This guy here made $10,000, $25,000, $2,000, $3,000. I want to actually talk about how you can create logos and create domain that you can actually sell them on this website. As well, it's a bit of an extra bonus. You can go and sell domains names with actually talked about in previous videos, and you can sell logos to people. So to that, guys, you will go and create a logo and you can actually sell it on this website. And then what you will happen is, if people are actually looking for a specific logo design, they could go and buy yours for up to 2,000, 1,300, 1,700. It's an extra way that you can make a good amount of money from this website. So let's summarize this real quick. You will go to 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐫.com, you will register for this website. What I forgot, you have to pay a deposit for $5 or $10, but you will get the money back. It's just a deposit, so it's actually free. So you register for 𝐒𝐞𝐜𝐫.com, you find the contest, make sure to get the guaranteed price hashtag there, and then you will go to business name generator, find a business name, get the name into there, win the contest, and you can even scale this to way more money just by creating logos for them. Find some on Fiverr, get them for $5 and sell them to them, or get them a website, again go to Fiverr, sell it to them. It's all about your mind, right? You can scale this to as much money as you want, and that's super powerful. Listen to me, do this and you will love it. Now, if you have any questions about this method, make sure to comment it in the question area below this video. I'm happy to answer every single question. Also, remember, make sure to comment Make Money Online 2021, because I want to show you this other method I tested for you with the $300 a day method without any previous skills. Just make sure to share this video and get the 99 Make Money Online 2021 comments. I did a lot of research and testing for this video, so make sure to hit me a like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to don't miss anything here, and most important, check the links below this video for my free training. You will absolutely love it, giving so much free value here. My name is Cal, I wish you all the best, bye bye.